I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the switch now. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is already connected to the Wi-Fi network you want the HomePod to use, because the speaker follows your iOS device. Once done, sign into iCloud with the same Apple ID that manages the home setup so accessories stay linked. Next, open the Home app and find your HomePod in the room view. Tap and hold its tile to open the device card. This action brings up settings where you'll begin changing network behavior. Now you'll adjust the network inside HomePod settings. Tap the gear icon in the device card to open detailed options and look for AirPlay and handoff and networking. These show the current Wi-Fi and connection health. If the HomePod recognizes your iPhone's network, choose the option to move or connect to that network. If there's no direct connect option, perform a soft restart. Unplug for 10 seconds, plug back in. Then reopen the Home app and try moving it again, so the speaker finish by confirming the HomePod reports the new Wi-Fi and networking, and then test Siri and audio playback to ensure the connection works. Make sure your router allows device-to-device communication if HomeKit accessories need it. If the HomePod won't join after several attempts, perform a factory reset. Press and hold the top until the light flashes red and you hear the reset prompts. Then re-add the HomePod in the Home app. This resolves most stubborn pairing and network handoff issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.